What's up, YouTubers? Ken here from the Dyslexic Investor, and oh my gosh, Tesla knocked it out of the park, beating so many different variables and growing business and beating expectations and so much, going from a meager $255 all the way to $308. Nearly $50. Again, this is after hours trading after they announced their third quarter analysis, and what a surprise. Wowzers. So me being the more technical side of things, I literally wanted to throw out my Fibonacci retracements here, and breaks through the 618, which is a tremendous bullish sign, breaking out from this 200, which is going to be fantastic because we're talking at 308. Again, it could come down, could climb higher tomorrow. We don't know. Again, this is still in after hours trading. So we're just going to go to like a 5-minute chart. But wow, look at that pop. Holy moly, guacamole. That is a heck of a ride there. We got a lot of things going on the up here. We actually have Elon himself tweeting out here, saying the Shanghai Gigafactory is way ahead of schedule. They basically built the whole factory in like 10 months or something like that, or less than 10 months, and they're producing a lot of the things already. The Model Y is way ahead of schedule. Solar installs up 48% from the Q2. That's fantastic. And positive free cash flow. What? They're making more money? Yeah. That's fantastic. Great news. And then let's just do from the CNN business analysis, kind of the same things. They highlighted the same things here. But just Elon Musk being just fantastic on just being surprising and literally just sticking it to the man, and this is definitely a short squeeze from hell. This is just, everyone's like, holy shit, we need to get out of the stock ASAP, and this has just been a huge upride here. It's unbelievable, honestly. Excuse me. It's just fantastic to see that the factories ahead, they're literally producing a lot more cars than they thought. The Model 3 is really paying off. A lot of people are still buying them, even though the tax incentive has slightly gone down, and improving gross margins, which is still a little bit lower than the overall average, I believe I read, multiple car manufacturers, but they're producing in a much higher volume than a lot of other people, and they're producing it in a different way where literally everything is done in-house. Honestly, there's no third-party subcontractors dealing with that. But holy moly, this thing is gonna pop tomorrow. We love to see on what happens. This is gonna be I'm a proud owner of some Tesla stock. Been holding it for quite some time, so we're just gonna see how tomorrow unfolds. I think I bought around like 215 down here on this dip here. This was uncalled for, but holy moly guacamole, I'm so happy to see this. Congrats to Elon and the team over there. Cannot wait to see what happens tomorrow. Again, guys, thank you so much for watching. This is Ken from the Dyslexic Investor. Catch you guys on the flip side.